Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and in today's video we're going to be putting together our new LOL custom party favor chip bags. Before we hop into the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already and hit that notification bell. You can grab this week's free party printable by heading on over to our website and checking out our latest blog post. Within that post, you're going to find a link that says click here to download the PDF. Once you click that, the PDF file is going to open, and from there you can download the file. I also wanted to make sure I took the time to mention that all of our freebies are for personal use only. Commercial use is not allowed, meaning you cannot go over to our website and download any of our free products and resell them over in your Etsy shop or on your website, or use any of our images. Thank you so much for respecting these terms of use. Alright guys, I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. You can find the links to all the materials that I used to assemble in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell and follow us over on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at Hanging with the Kiddos. See you next time. Bye.